Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving through Maypen and we're actually driving out of the town of Maypen now and heading towards the Maypen bypass. On the left is the entrance to the Maypen Hospital. As you can see, Maypen is a very busy town. It's the capital of Clarendon. Capital of the parish of Clarendon, I should say. There's a new gas station being built on the left. So you have a highway that runs all the way to Maypen now, the Highway 2000 or the PJ Patterson Highway. That section of the highway is called the PJ Patterson Highway. So you find you have a lot of development going on in towns like Clarendon, and then the highway is going to run from Clarendon to Mandeville. So you're going to have even more investment along the corridor. When you leave Spanish Town, the only other major town between Spanish Town and Mandeville is Old Harbour, is Clarendon, is Maypen, sorry. So this is a very busy town, very large population, and the town center is on the other side. Remember, we're driving out of the town now. So as you get close, if we're going in the opposite direction, you would see a lot more activity as we get closer to the town center, to Main Street. But we're heading back to the Maypen bypass. Alright, so we're now entering an area called Four Paths. Alright guys, so this is where we now enter or go on to the May Pen bypass. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.